Hi guys, hope you guys are having a fabulous day. Okay, so I have a lot of, well, I say a lot of things, but it's about a lot of little things that probably won't take up too much time, I don't think, to go over with you guys. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week. If you didn't get a chance to see it, I posted a retro video last night. Every Sunday and Wednesday at 5:30 Eastern Standard Time, I do post a retro video, which is some information that I filmed in 2020. Now that it's almost 2022. Got my green tea. Okay, so what I want to cover today is, first I want to say thank you to those of you who sent me Christmas cards. I got 3 of them from my new friends and viewers. New viewers are our friends, or my viewers. Anyway, okay, so the first one was from Stamper Wendy. And she sent me one last year. She sent me some homemade cards not too long ago as well. But it's a little Santa Claus saying Merry Christmas. I'm going to try to keep the glare from the light out there. But isn't that pretty? So cute. She said, Dear Alicia and Matson, Ramsey, and Kitties, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Best wishes from Wendy. Hope your Christmas is just loaded with fun. So that was very cute. That was my very first Christmas card of the season. Thank you, Wendy. I appreciate it. And my next card came in from Doris Artman. She's in Oregon, where my family is. Bet you didn't know that, Doris. All my family's out in Washington and, well, not all my family. Everybody on my dad's side is out in Washington and Oregon. And then I have a little bit in California. And then everybody on my mom's side's in South Carolina. And yeah, they're all in South Carolina. No, parts of them are in Maryland. Up that way. But anyway. Okay, so this came from Doris. It says, and Joshua, Merry and Bright. And it says, Alicia and Matson, I hope you have a great Christmas time together. I enjoyed the chit-chat and yarny goodness you share. Thinking of you during during this wonderful time of year. Merry Christmas. Love, Doris. Isn't that sweet? Thank you so much, Doris. I appreciate that. Matson's like, who are these people giving you cards? I'm like, they're my friends. They're my new YouTube. I got TikTok on the brain because I do a daily question on my TikTok, and I try to use different filters, and it's a lot of fun. And I don't share this stuff with them. I just share this stuff with you guys. All right, and then this is from Miss Melissa Perez. She also recently won one of my giveaways. Fa la 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 llama. Look, it's so cute. And look, it's got a little dingle ball. How cute is that? All right, and then inside the card, look. How cute. Hope the joy lasts. Oh, 2 L's like llama. Lasts all season long. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, Melissa Perez. And she dated it with the year. Isn't that sweet? Thank you, Melissa. I appreciate that. Y'all just don't know what this means for me. I stopped getting Christmas cards so long ago. Everybody does everything online. And when you get something snail mail like that, I appreciate it like you wouldn't believe. I get so excited. I'm like, oh, who sent me a card? I just get so excited. I do. I really do. So thank you guys. I appreciate it. So that's my Christmas cheer for the week. I got those beautiful cards. I want to show you guys some things that I'm working on. And then I also want to do a giveaway. So I have some exciting news, and I think I'm going to share, I think I might share my news on my other video I'm going to do. Don't know yet. I might go ahead and tell you guys now, but anyway, so I got a notification from Etsy. Y'all know I have an Etsy shop. And I have some stitch markers in there. Well, this candy company, I used their name. And I wished I hadn't have, because now they're, they took my listings down and I cannot relist them. So I have 4 sets, and I'm doing this for Christmas, of stitch markers that I'm going to give away. But don't enter it here. I'm not going to do it on this video. I am going to do a separate video, but I will go ahead and show you what they look like. And then I'll show you again on that video. But I just want to show you guys because I'm really disappointed. So I'm going to have these, and these, and these, and these. So I had 4 sets. They took my listings down. I'm very disappointed. I'm very upset. But it's my own fault. So note to self, do not use the name brand. Hang on just a second. All right. So sorry about that. Matson had something she needed to talk to me about. Okay. So the giveaway. This is Unclaimed Prizes giveaway. That's what this one is. Mostly cross stitch, but unclaimed prizes. So, unclaimed prize number 1. It's a cookbook. It's a very heavy cookbook. It will be open worldwide. If you are interested, you need to write down that you're interested in the cookbook. Just tell me what you're interested in the comment section. So I've got it packaged, sealed, ready to go. I just need to know if you want the cookbook. So I'm going to do 2 drawings on this one. One's going to be for the cookbook, if you're interested. Now, if you're interested in all 3, do separate comments. I will not filter out duplicate comments. You can comment as much as you would like. If you want the cookbook, you have to tell me a different way each time you leave a comment that you want the cookbook. You can tell me why you want the cookbook. You can tell me, and if you don't know what cookbook it is, I will tell you it is the cookbook from the last giveaway that I did for a cookbook. And I think cookbook is actually in the title of the video. So you'll have to go back and watch it and see what all is in the cookbook, what type of cookbook it is. Honestly, because I have to go back to look just so I could remember. Just saying. All right. So the other giveaway is going to be for cross stitch packets. There are 2 of them that were not claimed. So if you were interested in the cross stitch giveaway, I believe each one of them has a kit in it. If you're interested in the cross stitch giveaway, you're going to get both of them because they're already pre-packaged. I'm just going to tape around them and you will get them together. You will get 2. So it is, I believe it's last month's cross stitch giveaway for November was unclaimed, and I believe, yes, the one for October. So this one is October's and this one is November. So neither one of the cross stitch giveaways were claimed. So you can enter that and just leave a comment. Again, you can leave as many comments as you want. I am not filtering out duplicate comments. Tell me you're interested in the cross stitch giveaways. The mystery bags. And like I said, if you want to know what they are, go look at November's cross stitch giveaway and October's cross stitch giveaway and you'll see what they are. They're pretty decent kits. And I think this one actually has a frame. This one has a frame to the kit. Yeah, there's some pretty good kits. So 2 kits packaged together. They will be stitched together. So if you're interested in the cross stitch in the description box, tell me you're interested in the cross stitch. If you're interested in both, leave separate comments. One for cookbook, one for cross stitch. Just please remember, you need to tell me which one you're interested in and have duplicate comments if you're interested in both of them. Some people, I don't know if people aren't just listening or if I'm not clear enough on some of these giveaways. I hate that some people are missing out if you don't comment what I need you to comment. And I can't believe they weren't claimed. And it's funny because one of these was actually from someone who used to watch me. Hey! Hey! Sorry, guys. That was my camera went wonky when that happened. Oh, my word. Sorry. I should have left it on the tripod. I put it on my stand that I use whenever I go live. The dog's chasing the cats. They're going crazy. Anyway. So yeah, so one of these was from, I think the one from October. Was it the one from October that was unclaimed? No, September. I'm sorry. The book is from October. One of the cross stitches from, it's a Gallery of Stitch cross stitches from September, and the other one is from November. So one's from September and one's from November. So you'll have to go back and look at those. And also, I've already got the other giveaway going on right now, and that is for the embroidery ideas and the iron-on transfers and also some extra floss. So that's going on right now. And then after I get done with loading this video up, I'm going to do the, call it crochet knit giveaway, but I think it's all crochet this time. But anyway, so yeah, so you will get both of these if you're interested in the cross stitch. So please, I'm going to make this as short as possible. Come back and see me later this evening. I'm going to have several more giveaways before the end of the month. I will do the drawing New Year's Eve weekend. I think Friday is going to be New Year's Eve, Friday after next, and then New Year's Day will be that Saturday, and I'm trying to think, I'm going live with Crystal, the Yarny Chicken and Crazy Cat Lady on the 1st, on New Year's Day, or is it New Year's Eve? I'm going to go on live with her on New Year's Eve. That'll be Friday. And then New Year's Day, which is Saturday and Sunday, I will have the drawings for all these giveaways. Oh, y'all. Oh, he's had all of his running fits, and now he's got to come up here with me. Yeah, I know. I'm filming. Yes, I'm filming. You say hi? You say hi? Can you see? Oh, no, of course. Of course not. Of course, he'll hide now. Now that I want him to say hi. Say hi? You want to say hi? Say hi. No, that doesn't mean like me. This is my Ramsey, guys. Yep. There he goes. He's a mess. But anyway, so yeah, and I'm going to do a giveaway for the stitch markers as well. I am going to give away all 4 of them. Because it's Christmas and I'm kind of depressed about it, so. But they didn't take my other ones down, so I still have some. If you're interested in my stitch markers, I still have some in my shop available. They would make great Christmas gifts for any of your yarny friends. The way that I do most of them is so you can either use them for knit or crochet. Here is the clips on them. And I got some new clips that are coming that are going to be different shapes. And different shapes and colors. I'm changing them out. I'm going to use up the ones that I have for right now. But yeah. But anyway, I'm sorry. I'm distracted because the cats, yeah, you're distracted too because you hear them, don't you? Yeah. Yeah, so he's laying down. He's a mess. Oh, and then I have some good news to share with you guys, so you definitely want to see my next video. So I'm going to close this up, wrap it up. So good luck, everybody, and remember what you have to do. And I will see you shortly in the next video. Yeah.